We're going to do an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So there's the camera, there's the hard shell case. Hard shell case is a nice piece of plastic that's pretty durable. I like it, great feel to it. Here is the first handle. It connects to the tripod and also the Pocket 3, so it gives you a little bit of an extension. There's also a spot for headphones, so if somebody's filming, they could put a dongle with the headphones and actually hear the audio. The second one was the extended battery pack, which is really cool because it extends your grip. And then there is the DJI Mic 2, one of the best mics out there, I believe. And here is the tripod. The tripod actually connects to both the handle and the battery extender. So it kind of gives you more of a longer grip while you're filming if you want. It's very sturdy. It's very good to hold, so it kind of extends if you're doing selfies, things like that, when it's all set up. Here we have a wind muff for the DJI 2 mic, and then also a wrist lanyard that connects to the Pocket 3 itself. So if you're out and about and you just want to let it hang on your wrist, you could do that. Very strong, kind of hooks, loops into the Pocket 3. Next, we have a USB-C cable, connects into your charger, and then also the battery pack and also the Pocket 3. It also connects to your computer for data transfer of the files and also a webcam. Now what we're opening is the wide angle lens, and with the wide angle lens it's pretty cool because it just gives you more of a wide angle while you're filming. So if you're doing selfies, you could see more of it. It's magnetic, so all you do is you hover it right over the lens and it just snaps into place. But the other cool part is it actually snaps right here into the case. You will see that it just snaps in. It's a cool little kind of cubby hole for that lens. Won't come out. Very good magnetic. And then you could put the case or the Pocket 3 into the case. Here's a tip and trick, right? Is if you actually take the handle of the Pocket 3 and flip it around and snap it into the case. I didn't do it here in the video, but if you just turn it around, it'll actually snap into the case and you can hold the handle so you have somewhere to, and the case. So there you have the case itself. These are all the products that come with the Creator Combo Pocket 3. Again, it's one of the best cameras out there, I believe. And if you're thinking about purchasing one, I would definitely do it. Till next time.